Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down, tap on the system, go for the languages and input, click on the virtual keyboard and tap on the Gboard. Right now enter theme, and here we got the themes. There's a lot of themes. We got here the gradients, all landscapes, colors, and I think that I'm going for the simple color, red one. Click on the apply if you pick up your favorite, and then you are able to check your new keyboard theme in the settings. I mean in the messages where you can use the keyboard. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.